Zoning amendment, bylaw number 4260 proposes to rezone 10209 and 10213 10th Street.
It's full steam ahead. Dawson Creek Council voted in favor of amending bylaw 4115.
Ready for the question? All in favor? Opposed? Carried. Thank you.
The third and final reading saw city officials voting unanimously to rezone 4 vacant properties on 10th Street from C2 commercial general zones to C5 commercial neighborhood pub zones. The property used to house the historic Alaska Hotel, which tragically burned down in 2011.
We had no feedback from anyone either in favor or opposed to it, and so council did give it third and final reading. So now the proponents have got the ability with that zoning change to move forward with the plans for that neighborhood pub if they desire.
Issues tied to the subject included surveillance in the area, with business owners wanting more of it to ensure that any suspicious or damaging activity can be caught on tape.
Most communities that have the neighborhood pubs in it, etc., do have security cameras outside. That helps protect the patrons, the police if there's ever an incident.
We always worry about the concerns around vandalism downtown, breaking windows and things like that, and can we do public surveillance? And there's some real tight requirements as outlined by our city administrator. The city is very regulated in terms of how and what we can do.
Chief Administrative Officer Jim Shute added that surveillance cameras implemented by the city would be a long-haul process, taking up to 18 months for approval and costing $50,000 to $100,000 on a privacy impact statement. An alternative and more lenient approach would be for building owners to mitigate the surveillance issue themselves.
If it is the private enterprise putting cameras in, they have a significant amount of latitude about what they do. If it is the city of Dawson Creek that wants to put cameras in, we are heavily regulated in how we can surveil.